I started YouTube 2 weeks ago, and in just 3 days I hit 100 subscribers. I'm going to be telling you the things that I did in those 2 3 days that I wasn't doing when I started 2 weeks ago, that started getting me the subscribers I have. Firstly, don't click away, because at the end of this video I'm going to be sharing something very important, and it might just be the advice that you need. Number one, don't delete that post. If you have been thinking of deleting a post because it had low views, I promise you it's going to do you more harm than good deleting it. Just leave the video there, because eventually, if you have a viral video, there are going to be an audience that might visit your page through your viral video and decide to, okay, let me see what is going on this page, and come across that particular video that you felt was like useless or didn't have views, and you can start making money from that video. Secondly, you don't need to have it all figured out immediately. Hear me out. I know that there are some big YouTubers that will tell you pick a niche, then go all in, focus on that. That's a very good advice. But for those that do not know, let me say you don't know if I should do this, you do something like, just try different things that you know you're good at. If you're good at sports, or you're good at forex, you're good at graphic designing, you're good at sales, you're good at anything, you can just try them out randomly and watch the one that brings more audience to your channel, and then you can later on maybe focus on that particular thing and go from there. That's if you don't know where you are, and let me say you just start, just do whatever you feel you can do. You don't need to pick a niche, be the niche, do anything that you like, anything, any value you know you can offer, just do it, and you learn from there which one works for you and which one you're going to focus on. Number three, I will tell you, do not ignore shorts. Yes, some people tell you shorts are going to spoil your channel or they're going to disturb. No, it's going to do you a lot of good, because let me burst your bubble. The particular video that made me my 100 subscribers came from a short that I did randomly, and it was a very like, I won't like, it wasn't something that I even put effort into. It was just like for fun. I was just doing it to test my shots and the rest, and it blew up. Till today I was just watching, I'll be like, what do people actually like in this? Like, it's so funny, because I still don't know how to like picture it. So do your shorts, and people will find your channel, and they can eventually see your other videos and know if they will be interested in what you have to offer. Yes, do shorts. Do shorts. At least post once daily. Shorts, even if you don't post videos all the time, let me say you are posting like your videos once a week, try and post shorts at least once daily. Then I think that should be okay. Yeah, and you see the results. I promise you things are going to turn out better. The fourth one, expect hate and feedback, and negative feedback. I said and feedback, sorry, and negative feedback, because it's going to foil your growth. Yes, I saw a hate comment or a negative comment, and funny enough, if you are going to see it, I replied like, thank you for your support, because if it's good, bad, so long as you're engaging, it's even letting the algorithm know that people are interested in this video, and it's going to keep pushing it for you. So if someone drops something that seems hurtful, if it's a message, you can take, maybe read meaning into maybe the comments, and see if truly there's something that the person has said, even if it's in bad faith, that you can actually take correction from. And yes, that's different from someone just wants to bring you down. I think you just turn it into your strengths. Don't like let it get to you at all. That's it. Let it just for your growth. That's it. The fifth one great video is better than 10 bare minimum. Let me explain. The energy you are going to put into one video, yes, Like, I'm not saying you should make it perfect, like just try and make it to the standard. Good title, good thumbnail, good, and take your time. Don't just randomly just shoot it in a hurry and just post it without a, just take your time and make sure you follow all the necessary steps that you know that this is going to make it work, and post it and see that this video is going to go to the right places than the ones that you just randomly do. You say, okay, because they said you have to be consistent and posting every day. At least you are trying to meet up that, today is Monday, I must shoot on Monday. If I don't, even if you don't have the strength, you, or you are not feeling too good, you see that maybe there's no energy in the video and anything, you say, okay, just because you want to just post and dump, post and dump, no, that is going to be bad for you. It's better you do not shoot. You shoot when you are feeling enthusiastic about it. I think that's going to be better for your videos. The sixth one I'm going to be talking about is the video that you expected least to blow up might be the one to just blow you up. Yes, like what I said earlier, the shots that I've been watching, I'll be like, what do people really like inside this thing? Like, I just casually did it just for fun, just for testing, and it is the same video that got me 100 subscribers. Like, right now I'm still in shock. I will tell you, I'm still in shock. Because, so I think you should put equal effort in your videos. You are not trying to make it so perfect, but just even if you are looking at it, be like, this is not good enough, this is not good enough. I promise you, so long as you have used the right tools, you have used the right things that I told you before, even if it's not perfect, just upload, and you see that people might resonate with that particular video more than the ones that you have sat down to use the best microphone, the best device, the best camera, everything. It might do better than that. Take this video for example. I'm just like in my room recording, because like I was like, I have to put this out there. Like, I was feeling enthusiastic about shooting, about talking about all this. So I was like, okay, I can't wait for tomorrow to find the perfect location or anything to shoot this. I just have to do it now. Say it how I'm feeling it, so that I'll deliver value to you guys. If you have made it to this part of the video, before I tell you the epic advice I'm about to drop, and you have liked so far, give me a like and subscribe to our channel for more, because there will be more things I'm going to be sharing based on personal experiences. Thank you. The last thing I'm going to talk about in this video that I promise you guys is that the most important part of your videos, the most important part of your video making is your hook. Yes, I know that a lot of people have said this, but like, they don't emphasize it enough. You can have a great thumbnail, right? And someone clicks this video, and maybe they have seen that, oh, 10 ways we can do so and so thing, and they click to watch your video, and at the beginning of the video you are not delivering what your thumbnail was promising them, and maybe you are beating about the bush, talking about something else that does not really relate. I promise you, people are not going to continue that video. You should hook them with exactly what you told them you are going to give them. Drop it, then you give them something worth watching along the way that is going to keep them entertained. Let me put it like that. That's the most important. Then other things that are going to make your video do really well is having a great title. Yes, a great and searchable title. Maybe I'm going to do another video talking about how to give good titles to your videos, but that's another very important thing. Make searchable titles. Then your thumbnail is also very important, because I can see a video and just scroll past it and don't really know what the message is about, but the thumbnail is something that is going to grab attention to that video before the person clicks to know what you want to give. Your thumbnail is already telling them, this is what I want to see. That if the person even moves away from your video, the person will keep wondering later, what was that video going to be about? What was I supposed to watch? And the person might, excuse me, person might literally want to come back to watch that video because of that image of your thumbnail still in their head, are like, I need to go and watch that video. So we have gotten to the end of this video, and I hope by now you have subscribed if you have made it to the end of the video with us. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.